Hey, how's it going, guys? Brian back here with a look at Beam. All right, we broke some important levels. We have a lot of stuff going on today. Okay, we got the Dow Jones pulling back hard a little bit. Okay, that's what's causing a little bit of a pullback here. First thing I want to show you guys, believe it or not, I always have you guys first. Your best interest in mind. Okay, that's number one. If I don't, nobody's going to watch the videos, right? Okay, so never, if you go over to Beam Crypto and search it, all right, what comes up? Claim your Beam airdrop, complete tutorial. It's a scam. Any airdrop, guys, please do not fall for it. It happens the whole bull run. They put these scams on here. They put them on videos. They put them everywhere about free airdrops. Claim your 10,000 free Beam or whatever. Anything that says free airdrop, if it's not from Beam themselves or whatever, please do not click on it. You'll lose everything. They'll take it all. Okay. If we go over here to the crypto bubbles, let's check out these guys with the little hats on, little presents out here and stuff in the Christmas mood here. Here's Beam down here. Rank number 67, up 4 spots. Unbelievable. This thing is just flown almost $1 billion market cap. 24-hour volume, 63 million. And for the month, we're up 125%. Okay, so ever since I started, gave this thing a shout. It's not that old either. That's what's crazy about this thing. It's only, what is it here? Let's look. Beam, Beam Crypto. Check this out real quick. Go into CoinMarketCap. It's only like a little over a month old, I believe. We'll go down through here. All right, we got total supply, maximum supply of. No, this is wrong. What the heck is this? This is 10 cents. This isn't it. I apologize. I was gonna say, geez, when did that change? But there we go. There we are. Sorry about that. Thought something seemed a little off here. There we go. Okay, we got 62 billion as a total supply, a circulating supply of 47 billion. All right, so you're right in that, XRP, Cardano, circulating supply area, somewhere in there, okay? Not exactly. But the volume is up 25%, 63 million over the last 24 hours. All right, this thing has been out 2 months, all-time low 0.004. It's up almost a 4x from launch. Okay, this is one of them ones I truly believe that this thing, you know, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm shooting for a buck. I truly believe that. That's a 50x. I know what that would do to the market cap. I absolutely know. But in a bull run, do you guys understand? We're at roughly $1 billion right now. Okay, if you go into the rankings here, all right, these market caps, you got Tether at 90, Ethereum to BNB at 40 billion, Solana at 34. All right, I understand it would put it like at a $50 billion market cap to 50x. All right, but in a bull run, these market caps are going to be a lot higher. All right, I expect XRP, probably 200 billion, 150, 200 billion. That would put XRP up around $3. It's probably going to go a lot higher than that. It could be up around 4 or 5 billion XRP. Cardano, at 20 billion right now. That thing's probably going to hit $5 or something. So what's that? Another two, four. That's in about another 10, about 200 billion. So does 50 billion sound out of line? I don't think so at all. That would hit $1. That's a 50x for this thing. We'll see what happens. All right, that's just the way it goes. We'll see what happens. But check this out real quick. All right, that Dow Jones. Look at that spread candle on the daily. Look at that pullback. All right, so that's what's going on here. Bitcoin was taking off pretty good, still up 1,300 bucks for the day. Still got that break, but here's what's going on. And if you guys are interested, I talk about them all the time, and I'm going to stop talking about them. So I'll just throw it out there now and then. But the videos, the $14.99 membership, there's a link in the description of the video. Here's the videos you get for the trading course, all right, for $14.99. Level 3 membership. Learning to trade, learning to do trend lines, how to use the Fibonacci, how to use TradingView. Do not buy big green candles. You know, that's for entry points. Bullish and bearish divergence, bullish and bearish chart patterns, how to short the market if you're interested in that stuff. Setting up trading view like mine. That's what you look at every day. That's what you're used to. Candlestick patterns, 7-step trading plan, meaning of a golden cross and a death cross and what they look like on a chart. Part 1 and part 2 of how to find the next 1000X, how to do your own research, how to look up tokens, you know, do all your stuff. That teach you two videos, almost an hour. Over 7 hours of videos here. MEXC leverage trading, how to leverage trade on MEXC, and please do not leverage trade unless you know what you're doing. Coin market cap, finding the next 1000X, how to go over there, what to click on, what to look for, how to find it, and the RSI explained, buy and sell signals. So you get a lot of stuff for 15 bucks. All right, $14.99, over 7 hours of videos, level 3 membership, guys. You got to learn from somebody. You know, when to sell in this market. If you don't, you're going to just watch it all disappear. I did that the last bull run. And I ended up taking a course, and it cost me a lot more than that. All right, so the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin, you can see that breakout of that level I talked about yesterday, that 43.4. Ended up busting up out of it, came back down, retesting. So retesting down here at 43.250. So I'm going to move this support line right down on top of that. That obviously is where it's going to retest. You want to see it hold that, okay? 43.3. You want to see Bitcoin hold that area, number one. All right, so let's get back over to Beam and take a look at this chart, guys. Beam, I have 2 charts here for Beam, but this is the one I'm going to use. All right, you can see that important area up here at that 0.0213. All right, we peaked above it a couple times here. Then it's had a little bit of a pullback. Now, where would it possibly be coming to retest? All right, could be retesting right where it's at. There is a support line through there at 0.0201. There's a support right there. Now you got the 4-hour RSI. Flipping bearish here, all right, 86 and 89, all right, on the 4. You got the 8 still heading up. It's bullish, an 84 and a 63. You got the 12-hour, 17, 16. It's bullish, okay, so you got a bullish 12, and of course you got a bullish daily. That's the big one, all right. It could go sideways here for a little bit. I don't see it losing these levels, but keep an important eye on these levels. Very, very simple. It should hold 0.0185. That should hold as support. All right, the breakout level that we peaked up through, but we lost it on a pullback here. As soon as that Dow Jones tanked, we ended up losing that area. If you go on in 1 hour, all right, you can just see a peak up above there. Okay, I think we're going to head back up through here, but you want to see a break of that 0.0214 again. Okay, you want to see it get up through there and use that as support, and then of course you have resistance up here at 0.023. I'm just pointing out the major resistance areas, guys. Okay, now you can see one through here that it hit. I'll show you. You know, I just don't like lines all over my chart. Okay, so 1, 2, we got 5 on here. That's more than enough. You don't want to clout your chart up with lines, but there is a important support area there and a resistance. That's what it ended up coming up and hitting here. Okay, at 0.0224. All right, so 0.0224 could be the area to break here. That's where it stopped. That's where it got rejected from. That's definitely what you want to break up through here, but we need that first area first. 0.0213. Then 0.0224, then 0.0236. If you want, just pause the video and write these down, okay? And this area here at 0.0185 should hold as support, okay? It held through here, and it's still making higher highs and higher lows here, even on the hourly. So I think it's looking all right here. I think it's going to be fine. Just keep an eye on those areas, guys. We have the daily, the 12, and the 8 all bullish. So things look like they are still pointing upward. You know, put a trend line on here to keep track of it. You know, just get your touches in here and put a trend line on it. That'd probably go out to the 4-hour. You know, there you go. It's starting. There's one touch, two touch. You know, if it comes down and touches it, that's all right. It's still in trend. As long as it doesn't break this trend line, it should be fine. All right. You can see that the trend that it's starting here. You know, once you draw these for a while, you just get that you know where price could be heading here with the trend lines. I'm just putting it there because that's where it should be. Should hold just fine. Could pull back just a hair more down here, and it should bounce out of here. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you very soon.